Today we are playing blox fruits in Roblox. It just got update 17.3, I guess. Let's check it out on a new account. Get the quest. This would be also like a guide to the quest. I'm on mobile. So first you come to this guy. You should come to this guy and take quest. After you took the quest, kill these bandits. You can click dodge or click Q on computer to dash. Let me finish them and then I will tell. Okay guys, so I'm almost now level 10. So I also got another guy. You need to hit all 3 of these and then stack kill them. So you don't waste very much time. And it's also easy to kill them. And yeah, you also get start point. If you invest it at defense, you will get more health. And you see this green bar. I have 135. Now I have 140. Melee will give you more energy, energy is very important, and energy also increase the damage of this combat. That skill I will 20 energy. Energy is important. Sword is for sword. You can purchase a sword for 1,000 from this guy. From that sword dealer. This guy. And then gun is there. Guns for money certain. And blox fruit are you can buy for this guy or you can gamble it. A random. These are the blox fruit. And they change the stock. Other blox fruit would be in stock other time. Every 4 to 3 hours it resets. Let's get level 10 and let's go to the next item now. I'm level 10. You can also use this compass